BotanicalNatura Pure Aloe Vera Gel. Pure Aloe Vera Gel with Vitamin E. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. BotanicalNatura Pure Aloe Vera Gel. Pure Aloe Vera Gel with Vitamin E. Aloe vera leaves the skin moist and supple without clogging the skin pores. It keeps the hair strands hydrated without the greasy feeling. Dry, flaky and itchy scalp can be taken care of by applying aloe vera gel infused with vitamin E. Proteolytic, an enzyme prevents dandruff and stimulates hair growth by repairing the hair root cells. Regular application of aloe vera gel is known to bring back the shine to the dull and lacklustre hair. It also helps to manage frizzy hair. BotanicalNatura Pure Aloe Vera Gel is best. Pure Aloe Vera Gel with Vitamin E. Aloe vera is a rich source of antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C, an ideal go-to gel to keep your facial skin moist and supple during the summer months. It works wonderfully in soothing the acne breakouts and sunburn. Aloe vera gel with vitamin E helps calm irritated skin. When applied on dry and itchy skin, it provides immediate relief by hydrating the skin. It has the ability to repair the skin cells and also keep it healthy. Aloe vera gel with vitamin E is rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants reduce the damage caused by free radicals, delays aging sign, and protects the skin from sun damage. BotanicalNatura Pure Aloe Vera Gel works well for all skin types including sensitive skin. Aloe, a natural depigmenting compound, is found in abundance in aloe vera, thus making it a natural skin lightener. When applied on the acne-prone skin, it calms and soothes acne breakouts and eventually reduces acne scarring. Aloe vera gel when applied on insect bites, sunburn, rashes and windburns reduces the burning sensation of the inflamed skin. Aloe vera gel has the ability to seep deep into the skin to keep the skin moisturized, therefore using this gel before applying facial makeup will keep the facial skin hydrated. Alternatively, it can be used as an eye and face makeup remover by adding a few drops of coconut or grapeseed oil to a small scoop of the gel. Aloe vera gel is ideal for those with dry and damaged scalp as it may help promote hair growth by rejuvenating the dormant hair follicles. It can also be used as a hair conditioner or hair styling gel. BotanicalNatura Pure Aloe Vera Gel is best. Pure Aloe Vera Gel with Vitamin E. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.